Measuring Penny by Lorene Leedy. Class, remember to give me the thumbs up when you hear one of our key words. Measuring Penny by Lorene Leedy. For Joyce, who will go the extra mile. My name is Lisa, and my teacher says our next big homework project is to measure something. Mr. Jason says we can measure anything, like a sofa, a television set, or a doll. This is the homework assignment that's written on the board in the class. Measuring homework. Thumbs up, class. Measuring is one of our key words. Choose something to measure. Thumbs up, keyword. Measure it in as many ways as you can. Height, width, length, weight, volume, temperature, and time. Record your results. Include at least one comparison. It is taller than or heavier than, etc. Remember, a measurement always has two parts, a number and a unit. Thumbs up, unit is one of our key words. I am 6 feet tall. Which units, thumbs up, can you use? Here are some examples. Standard units, another key word. Let me see those thumbs. Inches, feet, yards, centimeters, another key word. Thumbs up. Good job, class. Meters, teaspoons, cups, gallons, pounds, minutes, etc. Non-standard units, also one of our key words. Let me see those thumbs up, class. Paper clips, bricks, frogs. That's interesting. Marbles, pencils, toes, etc. Use your imagination. If you look at the poster over here in the corner of the page, it says how tall, how heavy, how small. Measuring helps us understand the world. When I get home today, my dog Penny jumped all over me as usual. Wow, I could measure Penny for my homework. She is a Boston Terrier and is bigger than a pug and smaller than a Cocker Spaniel. She's about the size of a Shetland sheepdog. Penny, please stop drooling. Come on, Penny, I'll get a ruler and we'll run over to the park. Look at all the dogs out here today. Hey, get down. I can't believe how many dogs live around here. Fine, I'll measure. Kids, thumbs up. Some of you too. We're supposed to use a standard unit. Thumbs up for our keyword. So let me use inches, another keyword, to see how long your noses are. Stop licking my face. So Lisa's using a ruler in inches, and she's measuring the Shetland sheepdog's nose. It's 4 inches long. Penny's is 1 inch, and the pug is a 1/2 inch. Now, class, I want you to look at Penny's recording. It says nose. The length is 1 inch. The unit, one of our key words, is an inch. So that's what she's using to measure the noses. I'll measure your tail with a non-standard unit. Remember, class, non-standard unit is one of our key words, and it's when you measure something that is a something like a Q-tip or a paper clip or something like that. Will you please hold still? Penny has the shortest tail. So Lisa used dog biscuits as her non-standard unit. Penny's tail is 1 dog biscuit. The Fox Terrier's tail is 4 dog biscuits. The mixed breed is 6 dog biscuits. And then the Greyhound is 10 dog biscuits long. Look at the dog biscuits, class. They are end to end, almost touching each other. So when we use our non-standard units in a couple of moments, you want to make sure that you demonstrate that what we're using, we're going to use paper clips, is end to end. Now again, look over at Lisa's recording sheet. It says the tail, the length is 1 dog biscuit. So the unit is dog biscuits. Okay, let's read on. I'll measure your ears with another non-standard unit. Yes, good job putting those thumbs up. Cotton swabs. Don't wiggle too much. So the pug has a 1/2 swab. Penny's ears are 1 swab, and the Basset Hound is 3 cotton swabs long. You can see that Lisa recorded her results again at the bottom of the page. Let's see how wide your paw prints are. I'll turn over my ruler and measure with another standard unit, centimeters. Thumbs up. That's another one of our key words we will talk about in a few moments. And you can see she measured the mixed breed paw, the dachshund paw, Penny's paw, and the Cocker Spaniel paws. And then she put down Penny's paw print was 3 centimeters and the unit was a centimeter. That's a standard unit. Thumbs up. That's right. Good job, class. I want to see how tall you are. Everybody sit. So you can see Penny is using a yardstick. It's another type of ruler, and she's measuring all the dogs and recording their heights. And her unit is inches. Penny is 18 inches. Let's see how high you can jump. Penny can jump up to my waist. I could use myself to measure with... Now, class, Penny is using herself to measure. Is she a standard unit or a non-standard unit? Very good, class. She is a non-standard unit. So she is using over her head as one measurement, shoulder high as another measurement, waist high, knee high. So those are the non-standard units she is using. There's no scale here in the park, so I can't weigh anything. Wait! I could use the seesaw to see how heavy Penny is compared with the other dogs. The seesaw is down on Penny's side, on Penny's end, so she is heavier than the pug. So she recorded the weight comparisons down below. Now Penny's end is up because she is lighter than the Cocker Spaniel. The seesaw is balanced, so she weighs about the same as the Shetland Sheepdog. Okay, class. We're going to read on to finish the story, but I do want you to know these type of measurements, I'm going to finish the story, but they are not measurements that we are going to talk about today. Excuse me 1 second. You look thirsty, Betty. We better go home and get you a drink. See you later, everybody.